Welcome to our chocolate journey. Today, I'll show you exactly how chocolate is made. First, let's take a look at where chocolate really begins, far away from the factory, on the cocoa farms.
The first step is crucial, gently placing the cocoa seed into the moist, fertile soil, ensuring it's lightly covered.
Ensuring the seeds have the best start requires patience and precision, gently pressing them into the earth.
Within days, young seedlings break through the soil.
For the first few months, cocoa seedlings require consistent moisture to grow strong roots. Consistent moisture is crucial for these young cocoa seedlings to thrive in the nursery.
Young plants are protected from harsh sun. Once strong enough, seedlings are moved to open fields. Each young tree is planted with care.
Pruning is essential for the healthy growth of young cocoa trees, allowing them to focus energy on developing strong stems and maximizing yields.
To ensure healthy growth out, these young cocoa saplings must be carefully pruned.
After months, the trees become sturdy and lush.
Pruning strengthens the tree's structure.
The harvested pods are collected for opening.
Keep them coming, this box is almost full.
Okay, I have another crate right here.
Is that aligned with the edge? Yes, looks straight.
Keep it coming straight back. Easy on the left. Okay, right there is good. Lower it slowly.
In 5 miles, keep right to merge onto the access road for the distribution center.